Infinix Hot 30i to launch this month. Official images are out with rumored specs. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Infinix's ever-expanding, Hot catalog awaits the addition of a new budget phone. Dubbed Infinix Hot 30i, the oncoming device has surfaced online with certification listings and official renders. The brand has also confirmed they plan to unveil it this month. Everything we've gathered on it. Image Infinix says the Hot 30i launch is just around the corner. The official images from the brand showcase the successor of the Infinix Hot 20i in an entirely new build. There are 3 individual silos on the back, 2 with camera sensors and 1 with a flash. Infinix Hot new model 2023 price in Pakistan. FCC database recently listed a device on its link under model number X669. Speculation suggests the model might go by Hot 30i when it debuts. The FCC file had a blueprint schematic for the phone aligning perfectly with the new official images. Bluetooth SIG listed the same model number in their database while revealing its moniker. Apart from Hot 30i's Bluetooth module, the file unveiled nothing about the phone's specs. Fortunately, the rumor mill has unearthed quite a few details about the newcomer. Image The leak circle is abuzz with rumors that Hot 30i has a large display at 6.6 inches bearing an IP. In the sub-entry tier segment, these specs are more than generous. Infinix Hot 30i price in Pakistan amp. Specs at its core, Hot 30i will likely flaunt Helio G37 Society embedded with 4GB LPDDR4X RAM, 3GB virtual memory, and 64GB storage space. According to passionate geeks, the battery pack inside the phone is 5000 mAh, rechargeable at 18W to boot the Android 12 operating system. In its camera portfolio, the phone is likely to bear 50 megapixels primary sensor, 2 megapixels secondary sensor, and 8 megapixels selfie shooter. Like this video, comment and subscribe.